Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 3.3% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed 1.4% in the red. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Ongoing economic growth, a solid job market, and inflation that remains above the 2% target means the US central bank does not need to rush to lower interest rates and can deliberate carefully, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said in his latest speech. Pepe, the largest Ethereum-based meme coin by market capitalization, is on track to continue the recovery. Pepe has climbed approximately 230% from its November the 5th low. The US dollar strengthened against major peers, trading at a one-year high and headed for a fifth straight session of gains, propelled by market expectations since Donald Trump clinched a dramatic return to the White House.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Coming up on the economic calendar, a series of key events will be unveiled, each with its own significance. These economic indicators could influence currencies, stocks and other assets, shaping trading trends and offering strategic opportunities for traders. These economic releases provide a roadmap for what's next in the financial landscape. Understanding the potential outcomes will be essential for managing risk and identifying opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.